I've grown up with dogs all my life, with my family as far as I can remember. I think we got our first dog when I was about 3 or 4. I worked at dog sanctuaries voluntarily when I was about 15, 16. I did work experience from school at veterinary surgeries. Unfortunately, with my job, I travel a lot. I'm never really at home, so I can't have dogs. But this is, I always say now that I've got 300 dogs to look after, not just the one. The idea was pretty much bringing in the photographer Kate Davis I've worked with before, to raise awareness that I became ambassador, and also just to show the softer side as well. There's a campaign with the staffies at the moment, softer than you think, and it was to show how an absolute softies these dogs can be. My friend sponsored a kennel for me at Battersea, and it went from there, just more interest. And then you find out all the information about Battersea. For instance, it costs £36,000 a day to keep Battersea running. It's 10,000 animals a year. And when you hear those figures, you want to help out as much as you can.